Here with us as we celebrate the first anniversary of HRS Indian Ocean. So we started our operation last year in October, and today we are here celebrating the first anniversary.
So this is why HRS here and HRS is everywhere is not only to keep supporting the current system. So HRS is always to bring the service to the highest possible level, and HRS is always to bring innovation to any country.
What we created in the past few years. I wish you all a fun event, and I'm really looking forward to the day when we get to meet in person.
Environment here, my user account, okay. I have customized my availability dashboard, okay. My page, I have arrival, housekeeping, we have the mobility for our
loyalty modules, spa module, and just recently we just added golf module, which has been implemented in Mauritius, which went quite successfully. We are actually taking care of different aspects.